Here's a list of the 10 best countries to start an Airbnb business and the reasons why they are ideal. 1. United States. Why? High demand in cities like Los Angeles, New York, and vacation destinations like Florida. The U.S. market has strong tourism infrastructure, diverse property types, and solid short-term rental demand. Key advantage: Airbnb-friendly regulations in certain cities and abundant tourists year-round. 2. Spain. Why? Spain is one of the most visited countries globally, with cities like Barcelona, Madrid, and coastal areas like Costa del Sol being tourist hotspots. Key advantage: high occupancy rates, especially during summer, with strong demand for short-term rentals in urban and beach locations. 3. Portugal. Why? Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve region are popular with digital nomads and tourists alike due to affordability, safety, and beautiful scenery. Key advantage: favorable tax laws for foreign investors and consistent growth in tourism. 4. Mexico. Why? Mexico attracts millions of visitors annually to hotspots like Cancun, Tulum, and Mexico City. The cost of properties is relatively low, and rental yields are high. Key advantage: growing tourism, affordable real estate, and a strong market for both short-term vacation rentals and long-term stays. 5. Thailand. Why? Thailand, particularly Bangkok, Phuket, and Chiang Mai, is a global tourism magnet. It's affordable for property investors and has a steady influx of travelers. Key advantage: strong rental demand, affordable property prices, and year-round tourism. 6. Italy. Why? Italy's cultural landmarks and scenic beauty draw tourists to cities like Rome, Florence, and the Amalfi Coast. Short-term rentals thrive in these high-demand areas. Key advantage: high profitability in tourism-driven regions with consistent demand for unique historical accommodations. 7. Indonesia, Bali. Why? Bali is a major hotspot for tourists and digital nomads. Villas, resorts, and guest houses are in high demand for short-term stays. Key advantage: low property prices and high occupancy rates make it very profitable for Airbnb hosts. 8. Greece. Why? Greece, with destinations like Athens, Mykonos, and Santorini, sees strong tourism demand, particularly during the summer months. Key advantage: high seasonal rental income and affordable property prices compared to other European markets. 9. Croatia. Why? The stunning Adriatic coastline and cities like Dubrovnik and Split have transformed Croatia into a sought-after European destination. Key advantage: a growing tourism sector and relatively low property prices make it an attractive investment location. 10. Colombia. Why? Cities like Medellin and Cartagena are increasingly popular for international tourists and digital nomads. The cost of living and real estate is relatively low. Key advantage: high rental yields, affordability, and strong tourism growth in South America. What to consider before starting regulations. Research Airbnb rules and short-term rental laws in your target country. Some areas have restrictions or require licenses. Tourism demand. Invest in areas with steady tourism and strong occupancy rates. Costs. Factor in property prices, taxes, maintenance, and Airbnb service fees. Cultural factors. Tailor your property to local preferences and the needs of international visitors. These countries combine strong tourism industries, affordable real estate markets, and growing demand, making them prime opportunities for Airbnb business success.